Today's vlog is about Slingshot slide. Let's see. Slingshot Gold Coast, located in Surfer's Paradise, is one of Australia's most exhilarating thrill rides. Since its inception in 1995, it has captivated over 50,000 visitors with its high-speed, high-altitude experience. The Slingshot is a reverse bungee ride that launches two passengers vertically at speeds up to 160 kilometers per hour, or approximately 100 miles per hour. The capsule reaches heights exceeding 90 meters, 295 feet, and subjects riders to forces up to 6 Gs. As the capsule tilts back, riders are reclined before being propelled skyward, providing a brief but intense adrenaline rush. Location hours. Address: 32 Cavill Avenue, Surfer's Paradise, Queensland 4217. Hours: open daily from 10 a.m. until late. Closing times may vary. Admission booking. General admission, approximately $40 Australian per person. Booking, no reservations are required. Tickets can be purchased on-site or online. Age, height requirements. Minimum height, 125 centimeters, approximately 4 feet, 1 inch. Age, there is no specific minimum age, but riders must meet the height requirement and be physically able to handle the ride's forces.